Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl China K, and welcome to another episode of the On My Mind series. It's a beautiful Sunday here in Jamaica, and what better way to spend it than at the beach, getting a tan, drinking some liquor, and doing absolutely nothing. This week's episode has nothing to do with the beach, but I just forgot to do the intro when I should have, so I'm gonna take 2 minutes out of my relaxation time to do it. You know, the other day I moved up on the ends and I was talking with a bunch of my friends, and one of them was talking about how great her relationship was going, and the other one did I talk about how bad our relationship did I go and how much Jamaica man crosses. I, on the other hand, was saying I don't think I'm gonna date another Jamaican guy because all them do is stress me out, and stress and China K does not go together. So I figured I'd hit the streets and ask people, are Jamaican men the best men to be in a relationship with? This is what they had to say. Check it out.
Well, it depends on the month where them born. You know, you can't find a man born August, July, and December, then we beat you. But if you want a good, nice, genuine Jamaican man, ensure say you have money. It's when you have money, you take a Jamaican man, you do the best for you, you do the world for you, because guess what, you're not begging. But see, as soon as you start begging, your life hard. But Jamaican men generally are good man, as long as they have money and them born June.
Jamaica guy is the best man, because them cocky real, and them cocky solid. We not like American man, them cocky weak. We like strong cocky in Jamaica.
Jamaica man, best guy when? Which part or what time? Which part? Which part Jamaica man are best man? I lie. Yeah? A Jamaica woman are the best woman to themselves and them pitney and everything. Man, we not sit down and depend and talk about man. We think we'll look at work and find something to do. Independent girl. Because Jamaica man, they not like when you're too independent. Yeah, I saw them stay, them ready, them jealous, and them licky them want what you have as a woman. Them want you to mind them. We not upon that, we not rock the cradle, and we not tell them we not go walk or declare no blood clot deported. Excuse me, my door.
I believe that Jamaica guys is the best guys because they are the only guys that take care of women. If you go overseas, the man them overseas now look out for you. Them not mind, but Jamaica man them mind, them spend them money for you. Overseas man them want you to mind them. Although Jamaica man want you mind them too, but all of them. Jamaica man them take care of the woman and take care of them kids.
Are Jamaican guys the best guys to date? Let me think about that, right? So I honestly think no. No. Maybe I'd put a hell in front of the no. They're so good at lying. They tend to be, not all. We can't always generalize, but they tend to be so good at lying. So it's either, you can look at it two ways. Either you're gonna say they're the worst because they're really good at lying, or they're the best because you already know what you're getting yourself into when you're going into it. You feel me? So it's like you're saying, all right, I know say him already lying to me, so I know what's gonna happen when I get into this. Can you feel that I'm taking this personally?
Most definitely. Of course, Jamaican guys are very smart. They love really hard. When they love, they love. And in terms of the package, you will never find a bigger package than a Jamaican man.
Yes, Jamaican man is the best. Yes, because I have one and I'm married to one.
Well, overall today, it's hard to find good man, but good man they're out there.
Yes, we are the best guys today, you know, because we know to treat a lady right. And overseas girls love Jamaican guys more than their local guys.
Jamaica man, them are the worst man for David. Because them love liquor, they don't mind picnic. You ever care them go family court?
Basically for me, I don't think like I would really date a Jamaican guy. Yeah, you have Jamaican guys that are really good and great, but you know, for now, I mean, I would mostly go for outside of Jamaica. That's for me. I've been dating Jamaican guys and it's like not really a good experience, but I mean, I probably could give it a next shot.
Jamaican man them now, them not like man them pitney, and them love so long and love handout, and them not like work, and them so long for girl mind them. And that in my book, and money me say straight. And we say sell and earn a lot of money.
They're the best. They know how to take care of their woman, and they're loving, and they're caring, and they're kind, and they're honest.
You have a next thing again. When the man them breed you, them run gone. Them not stand up to them responsibility. Them want different girl and them want foreign girl for send them sneakers, pants and shirt. That's all they want. They want the foreign girl because some of them want reach a foreign girl. The man them don't want to know. Stop come to Jamaica, come take away the people them man. Because Jamaica man them don't want to know. Foreign them want reach. And then reach a foreign and go left you. Go look alive and find a man who want you. That me have to tell all who know woman who come to Jamaica claim so now look husband or now look man.
You see right now, you see the Igla man them on the street that myself buy and sell, hustle in the street, make money daily, and we are the best man for deal with, because guess what? Our money is not a limit. You get me? We make any money a day. Sometimes 10, sometimes all 20. You see Jamaican Igla man them, whereas when you travel go overseas, go China, go buy them, spend the year and come back and sell if you have 1,000 in Jamaica and spin over the money and turn over the money and build house and buy car. You know the thing, go.
Jamaican man them have the anaconda.
Right now we girl in love because we have money. May I tell you, and we have big car and Benz and Cadillac, and we have, no, I mean cocky not big, little. And where God give me have to use.
Yes, they are. Because them got the up, top, and them thing, yeah.
Jamaica man are the realest man. The foreign man them bring some nasty living. We shouldn't know about that. So Gaza living, we say, are the one way, and only Gaza way.
I don't think Jamaican guys are the best guys. I just think it's based on the personality, whether the cultural background, whether the country they come from, just as long as you have that connection with the person, it's not necessarily Jamaican men. So I don't think it's Jamaican men are the best men. I think any man that you have a connection with is the best one for you.
I'm not certain because I've never dated outside of Jamaica, but as what my friend said prior, it doesn't matter where they're from. Personality, attitude and respect is what counts.
Well, as you can see, people had different opinions. Some people said Jamaican guys are the best. Some people said Jamaica man, them terrible. But my stance stay, unless there's a God-sent hot Jamaican guy for me, if you're out there and watching this, put it in the comments below and let your girl Chiny K know. For others, join the conversation. Let me know, are Jamaican men the best guys to date or not? Don't forget to tell a friend, and don't forget to subscribe.